Today at Beth's Keto Kitchen, I'm making just the Toppings Please, a personal pizza skillet, all keto friendly of course. Join me and let's get cooking. We'll start with a half a pound of ground beef, and I'm adding onions, mushrooms, green peppers. Again, this is a personal pan size. We'll break up that burger, and then I'm going to season with some garlic powder, oregano, and pink sea salt. When you're done browning the meat, you'll want to drain the grease off. Now season with some Parmesan cheese and a half a cup of a low-carb marinara and stir that up. Now we can start layering our toppings. I'm using ham, bacon bits, some Gouda cheese, mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, and a little more mozzarella for good measure. Now we'll bake this at 400 degrees for 10 minutes until hot and bubbly. Look at that. Doesn't that look perfect? So easy and delicious, a perfect weeknight keto meal. I'll be sure and list the recipe in the description box below. And if you guys are enjoying this, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you're alerted each time I upload a new recipe. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.